Hey, good morning, guys. This is your friend Goliatnewborn. First of all, before we get started, hit that subscribe button on my page and like and share to everybody. That will help me a lot for this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to stream with low upload. Like me, I only get like 11 uploads. So this is my setting here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Go over here in File, Settings. Then you're gonna go and stream. Make sure you set whatever you want. Use restream for moments. The video, I normally put it on 1080p at 30 frames per second. That you could use and upload on between 6 to 9 MB. Since I can't use that much upload, I go ahead and put it on 34 frames per second so I can maximize it to 6,000 bit rate. That equals 6 meg per upload. And this is my setting here. I keep it, basic. Put the bit rate 6,000. The key frame interrupt, put in 2 seconds. The present, put the best quality, high quality to pass this resolution. And I always make sure to check the SARD because this enable the encoding saying they optimize the use of bitrate to increase perceived visual quality, especially situation high motion at cause increase in GPU utilization. So I keep it like that. And everything here I keep it the same. If you want to record only on OBS, this is a feature I recommend everybody to use. You maybe have a different feature, but if you have this feature that ends with this, put it like this, or you put it in 1080p, doesn't matter. But that cuts half of your upload of your internet. So in this case, when I record at this 2K resolution, so I set up this because that will help me out with the frame per second. I leave it 30, and I could, leave it the same option as the other one. So you could, copy mine and everything should work. Okay. The audio, keep it always 128 if you're doing it on YouTube. And if that helps you more, you go here and have keys and do some kind of shortcut that help you out too. Of course, since I only have one monitor at the same time. So this is a very simple, basic for low upload streamers like me. I only get 11 megabyte per second. So hopefully that works out. So hit that like, subscribe my channel, and see you for more videos and more tutorials. Thank you and have a blessed day.